A new platform can unlock new possibilities. Improved customer experience leading to higher conversions, streamlined operations freeing up your time, and enhanced scalability allowing you to truly expand without hitting technical roadblocks. It's an investment in your business's future, a step towards building a more resilient and profitable online store. Now, how does Spocket fit into this seemingly complex equation? For those unfamiliar, Spocket is a dropshipping app that allows you to discover and source winning products from suppliers primarily based in the US and Europe. This means faster shipping times, higher quality products, and better customer satisfaction, all crucial ingredients for a thriving e-commerce business. But here's where Spocket becomes a game changer during a platform switch. Imagine you have hundreds, even thousands, of products on your current platform. Manually migrating all that product data, descriptions, images, SKUs, pricing, is a monumental task. This is where Spocket's seamless integration with various e-commerce platforms becomes your secret weapon. If you're already using Spocket with your current platform, and you decide to migrate to a new one, your product data linked through Spocket is largely preserved. Instead of rebuilding your product catalog from scratch on the new platform, you can simply connect your Spocket account to your new store. This instantly pulls over all your source products, complete with their high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and up-to-date inventory. Think about the hours, even days, of painstaking manual work this eliminates. Let's walk through a practical scenario. Let's say you're currently on Shopify, and you've been using Spocket to power your dropshipping business. You decide to move to BigCommerce for its advanced features or perhaps to WooCommerce for more control and flexibility. Instead of exporting your entire Shopify product catalog, cleaning up the data, and then re-importing it into BigCommerce or WooCommerce, you simply integrate Spocket with your new BigCommerce or WooCommerce store. Spocket then syncs your product listings, saving you an immense amount of time and effort. It's like having a universal translator for your product data, allowing it to effortlessly flow between different e-commerce ecosystems. But it's not just about the initial migration. Spocket's ongoing synchronization ensures that as you add new products through Spocket on your new platform, or as suppliers update their inventory or pricing, those changes are automatically reflected across your store. This continuous, real-time update capability minimizes the risk of overselling or displaying outdated information, which can be a common headache during and after a platform switch. Furthermore, a platform migration is an excellent opportunity to reevaluate your product offerings. With Spocket, you have access to a vast catalog of high-quality products. As you transition to a new platform, you can use this opportunity to curate a fresh selection of products, perhaps focusing on emerging trends or niche markets that your old platform might have limited you from exploring. Spocket's robust search and filtering tools make it easy to discover new winning products, ensuring your newly migrated store launches with a fresh and exciting inventory. Beyond product migration, there are other crucial aspects to consider when switching platforms. Data migration is paramount. This includes customer data, order history, and potentially blog posts or static pages. Most reputable e-commerce platforms offer tools or provide guidance for this. For customer data, you'll typically export it from your old platform and import it into the new one. For order history, some platforms allow for direct import, while others might require a third-party migration service. This is where careful planning and potentially professional assistance can make a significant difference. Next, consider your domain name. You'll want to point your existing domain to your new store. This usually involves updating your DNS settings with your domain registrar. It's a relatively straightforward process, but crucial for maintaining your brand identity and SEO authority. Then there's the design and user experience. A platform switch is the perfect time for a refresh. Take advantage of your new platform's themes and customization options to create a visually appealing and highly functional store. Focus on intuitive navigation, clear calls to action, and a mobile responsive design. Remember, a great user experience leads to higher conversions. Payment gateways and shipping integrations also need to be set up on your new platform. Ensure you configure your preferred payment methods and integrate with your chosen shipping carriers to ensure a smooth checkout and fulfillment process. Finally, don't forget the post-migration checklist. Thoroughly test every aspect of your new store, product pages, checkout process, payment gateways, and integrations. Monitor your website traffic and sales closely. Be prepared for any initial hiccups and have a plan for addressing them quickly. Communicate with your customers, letting them know about the transition and any new features or improvements. Switching e-commerce platforms, while a significant undertaking, doesn't have to be a source of dread. With a strategic approach, careful planning, and the right tools like Spocket, it can be a transformative experience for your business. It's an opportunity to shed the limitations of the past, embrace new capabilities, and ultimately, propel your online store towards unprecedented growth and success. Don't let the fear of change hold your business back from reaching its full potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.